Before we start making smaller strokes, we need to understand how to make whole arm movements. These movements originate from the shoulder. This not only warms up your shoulder, elbow, and hand, but it helps you develop the movement needed to put life into your strokes. So grab your marker and with very little pressure, begin to make a large spiral like you see me doing here. Next, we're going to practice pulling strokes. Plant your marker tip so that it makes a wide mark, then pull the stroke towards you. As you pull, let your shoulder and elbow provide the movement so you can make your strokes longer. And just let your hand and fingers go along for the ride. Now you'll practice pushing or throwing strokes. These push away from your body. Again, moving from your shoulder and elbow allows you to create a longer stroke while using just your hand creates shorter strokes. What's important to note is that my hand from the pinky on up to just before the wrist is staying in light contact with the table surface. Now let's practice making long flowing strokes in one direction. In this case, my hand slightly leaves the table at the end of the stroke. Then return to making small, wide spirals in both directions. Get into the habit of doing this exercise before you practice, and you'll start to develop the muscle memory that helps create beautiful strokes.